Yep, done it again. Build a house again. Hey, Luigi and Maya. Hey, what's up? We just built your house, but this time it's not gonna be made of wood. It's gonna be made of like bricks. Oh, that's nice. I just wanted a little bit brick. It's been over by 3 months. Yeah, I know. Let's head to the TV. Okay.
Is gonna stick. And our pro formula has even more
Finally, Max.
so you can
I'm gonna
tackle
take
the
a break.
biggest jobs.
I'm gonna get some sleep.
Now there's flex glue for everything you do.
You know what,
With flex glue,
Mario?
you don't need screws or nails, making it perfect for all types
I
of
think
repairs.
it's better
Not only
if
does
we
flex
have a
glue
break in our
amazing
house.
instant grab,
Yeah, probably a good
but it
idea.
actually gets
Because I'm
stronger
sick and
over
tired
time.
of the tornado
And
take
once
out
it
our
reaches
house.
maximum strength,
I hope it never happens
flex
again.
glue can easily lift
Yeah, me either.
over 1,000 pounds. Indoor and outdoor projects.
Hey guys, I'm gonna get something to eat, so I'm gonna go ahead something. I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, Yossi. Feel relaxed right now. I'm tired of this. Oh my goodness. Why? Why, God? Why? Why?
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Gray County in the panhandle of Texas until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located 10 miles south of Kings Mill, or 14 miles south of Pampa, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pampa. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover now.
It always happens. Mario, yes, you have to stop doing it. Stop doing what? All of these big tornadoes that you get to show our house. It always happens. That's what last time it hit struck by another tornado. And the last time. And another. And another. I'm getting sick of this. I want to live somewhere. Where? Somewhere that tornado come to the state. You know it always. It's everywhere now. There's no safe spot. Come on here, you have to come inside. Why? Thunderstorms, tornadoes! Are you serious? Are you idiot? I'm getting away. I'm getting inside. It's free. Come inside, Mario. I'm coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is another one?
Remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Gray County. At 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near La Forge, or near Pampa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous situation. This tornado has caused extensive damage south of Pampa. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Pampa.
I mean, there's nothing we could do now. It's an EV3 tornado thing. Does you mean the EF5? No, the EF3. That's what I say. EA3. You say A. It's EF3. Okay. EF3. I get it. let's continue with the TV. What is... You're saying small. I haven't seen it in a while. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's the traffic in the highway or something. Why did they do that? Because there was a tornado warning out there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you got a good point about that. I can just... there's another one. Yep.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Gray County in the Panhandle of Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kings Mill, or 8 miles south of Pampa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Pampa and Kings Mill. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Alright, let's go, Luigi. Okay, we're here right now. Oh my goodness. We're on the basement now. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this is happening again. Calm down, Mario. It's just a freaking tornado. I know we had like this for like the time we had this for like a while. It's been like a month. I know. I just get really tired of this. We have to sit here and just relax. I forgot the food. You forgot the food? Yes! What? Oh my goodness. I forgot because we always build a house. I didn't go groceries. Now we are outside. Oh my goodness, I cannot stand this. Oh, here's that siren. Oh. I can't wait we're tired of this. We're safe now. I hope it doesn't get really worse. I hear it's like wind. Oh my goodness. We have to stay here right now. Oh my goodness. Luigi? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, did you see that, Luigi? Yes! I heard the tornado that just hits on the house. It does. Oh my goodness, I have to paint this house again. Oh my. You alright, Mario? Yes, I'm alright. What was that? I think I always saw it our house. But I only hear it's under the rain. Oh my goodness, this is nightmare. Not really. Oh, get tired with this. I think it's past. Don't you think it's a pass? I think so. Let's go. Let's go? Yeah, let's go. Oh my goodness. This is happening to us. We hear as soon as possible. What happened? Our house destroyed. Look. Oh my goodness. Why guys taking so long? We're on the tornado warning. Well, I'm sorry because would have been traffic. Would have been accident. It took you 3 hours to get here. We have to go eat. We have to rebuild this house. We have to get some wood. We'll go to the hardware store. Hopefully this will happen in part 4. Why you keep saying it? I don't know. We'll just keep building. Hopefully this will happen this year for a tornado. Like that's going to happen.